Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you Endopower Pro review. So we'll just find out that it's a scam or it is a good product, a legit product. So Endopower is a male enhancement supplement that has gained attention in the market. However, recent reviews and investigations suggest that this product may be a potential scam. And why I'm saying this? The first one is a questionable legitimacy. That Endopower Pro website was created in March 2024. So if you just go to Google and search for Endopower, and here this is the okay, so this is Endopower, and now I'm not able to find this official website. I think this is it. So let's just go and find out this one. And this is often a warning sign because it's just a new website, and right, so of course we cannot claim that it's 100% a scam, right? The second thing is that while the product claims to be use natural products, as you can see here, they use some of the medicines, natural medicines products from the nature, right? There's a little or no scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of this formulation. This company does not provide detailed information about the specific ingredients or the quantities, making it difficult to assess the potential benefits and risk. Same way, this website has shown you can just read here, and this is what they are trying to, what are the ingredients in the Endopower, and here you can just read about it. And of course it's not 100% true because there's a no there's a no proper label on the box of this product, right? Neither in the images they are showing the label of the ingredients. So this is a very important thing, so just before buying you should be really concerned about this. While the company claims to offer a 180-day money back guarantee, right, the legitimacy of this policy is questionable given the other concerns surrounding the product. User may face difficulty obtaining a refund if they are dissatisfied with the result. And here, if I just I'm looking for option, right, where I can contact them. So there's a no, okay, here is the option of contact, and they have just given us the email address. That's it. There's a no phone number, there's a no ways to raise a ticket or something, nothing, right? And the reviews are 5-star given by this website because of course in the website you have full authority that you can change everything, right? You have full everything, you can change it. But if I just go to the Amazon here, and here you can see a 1-star review, and I gave this 2 months to see if they work, and my light bill has only gone higher, did not help the slightest. This their scam. So I think this is a product, in some cases it's work, in some cases it doesn't. So it's completely up to you that you want to go for it or not. So make sure you just, before buying this up, you can just make sure to do a full research, and especially the ingredients, and if you're satisfied with, you can go for it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.